Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Imtiaz and this is the 5% Club. This is another market analysis video, so let's get right into it. Guys, if any of you would have seen yesterday's market analysis video, today your portfolio would have been sitting for more than 25 percentage. Okay, so you would have gained around 25 to 30 percentage because we had 4 stocks yesterday. 2 stocks in them are performing like crazy. Castrol and one more stock has been performing crazy today. So, and the entry was also exact. So I just wanted to tell it, and please follow the stocks, do your analysis and see the things. If it works, well and good, trade it. If it doesn't work, just stay away from the markets. That's my only suggestion which I can give you. Okay, so let's see what we got for tomorrow. So Nifty, today we had a stop loss in Nifty today. This place we had a stop loss. This place, yeah. This place we had a stop loss. Sorry. This green candle we had a stop loss, that is in 5 minutes time frame. If you see, it closed very strong down. Market opened, but I know there is a buying pressure. And then this one happened. Then this candle came, closed strong, but then immediately the next candle took a stop loss. Okay, but now the Nifty is flat. Okay, Nifty is flat now, guys. Flat. That means it is really good. It is going to have a good upside momentum or downside momentum. Something is going to happen. Make sure you capture whatever is happening. So okay, let's get on the plan. So tomorrow, if Nifty crosses anywhere around 21,480 and above, I'll be looking forward to buy. Okay, so above this box, if it crosses, I'll be buying it, and my stop loss would be 45 to 50 points. Okay, or if it crosses this, that is let's get rid of this. Yeah, if it crosses 2132, or this is also a good price range to short the market. This is also a good price range to short, because you see this is flat. This is flat. So here I will definitely go with a small quantity, that is 21,420 and below. I'll go for a small quantity. I will aggressively short it post 21,330. Yeah, but let's see, the market kind of looks positive because of this momentum, this low up momentum. Yeah, it looks kind of positive. So if it gaps up or anywhere, if I get a price of 21,480 and above, I'll be definitely looking forward to buy Nifty. Okay, next is Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty, we did not have any trades today, but if you guys see, Bank Nifty is on a very tight area now. If you guys see, this is a very tight area Bank Nifty is in, and you see there is a trend line here. Yeah, so, and this also is on a sideways. Okay, which is really good. This is a sideways market, which is really good, because after a sideways market we can expect a run. So here we saw volatility. Okay, so what happened? A moment, up moment, then volatility, now sideways. This sideways, if even if it continues for tomorrow, it's totally fine. I'll be looking forward out for it on Thursday, because we really want to capture a momentum. Okay, because we've been having losses, back-to-back losses, which is totally fine, but when we capture, we make sure we capture big. So post, this will be my levels. Post 47,830 and above, I'll be looking forward to buy Bank Nifty. And sorry for that. And here, yeah, this is the level. 47,615 and below, I'll be looking forward to sell it. Okay, these will be my levels for Bank Nifty. US oil, my god, US oil gave a very good breakout today. So what happened was, I know this chart is extremely crowded, I know, which is totally fine. I keep analyzing it. So this trend line, okay, this trend line got broken here. Okay, and below this I shorted it. Below this I shorted, but what happened? It hit my stop loss in 5 minutes time frame. And then if I see this trend line is on a bigger, that is 4-hour and 1-hour time frame. So what happened? It gave a breakout. Immediately after it gave a breakout, I purchased it. That is, this was in a 15 minutes time frame. If you guys see, this structure was in a 15 minutes time frame, which hit my stop loss, and then it gave a breakout, and immediately I entered here and see the blast. We are now sitting at 1:, let me be clear, we are now sitting at 1:5, which is really good. We are expecting a target of $75 and 20 cents. Almost there is. Now what I will do is, I will keep my stop loss very tight, like this. Keep it tight, like $74 and or $75. I might keep it very tight. So even if it reverses from here, because there is a resistance here, if you guys see, this is a very big resistance which has been tested once only. This is a fresh resistance. So if it recent time, this is a fresh resistance, so there is a very high probability it can reverse from here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to set up a very tight stop loss, that is of $74.90. This is where I'm going to keep my stop loss now, and I'm going to wait. Yeah, this is the actual resistance. If you guys see, it is taking reverse, it is taking good rejection from this place. If you guys see, this is where it is taking rejection. So I'll draw a box clearly. Yeah, this is where it's taking a rejection from, which is totally fine. Even if it comes reverse from here, it's fine, we don't have any problem. But we are not giving up on our profits. Okay, so below this 2 candle is where our SL is. So I'm going to trail my stop loss there below this 2 candle, that is this 6248 will be my next stop loss. 6248. Yeah, just a minute, let me just change it. 6248. Yeah, so I have changed it. So let's look into other stocks now. One is gold. Gold is giving a breakdown, which is really good. Gold is giving a breakdown. These are our key levels. So gold breakdown has happened. So this is a pullback, a small pullback. So gold, I will be looking forward to short here, and this will be the stop loss. Stop loss and target is, this is the target, 1:6. Okay, so this is for gold. Even if gold is gonna go up, I don't have a problem. Up it should take from the same place, or down it should go from the same place. See this break of the structure, right? This break of the structure, and it will come down, and this is how trend line market works. Okay, it will come down, take a dip, and then start going down. Or if it's gonna go up, it's gonna go like this. It's gonna go up, touch, and then start going up. This. Okay, so trend lines usually work like this, at least according to me. This is how I see trend line price action works. So gold, I'll be looking forward to short it at 2057. Okay, my stop loss will be at 2061. I'll be buying post 2062. Okay, so these are the levels for gold. So we have 4 stocks for swing trading. We already have purchased it today. So this Britannia is crossing its all-time high. Okay, so I have entered at 52330. I entered at 5230. I'm holding it. My stop loss is at 5135. So it's crossing its all-time high, and it's strong. Okay, it is strong. If you see, even on a weekly candle, it's a strong candle. It's not a weak candle, it's a strong candle, and that is the only reason I'm buying it. Okay, so but tomorrow there might be a profit booking which can come till deep, and then it can go up. So don't be panicked if tomorrow morning anybody's buying it. Totally fine. Next is Indian oil. Indian oil is crossing its recent all-time high. Okay, so I purchased at 128 rupees, and my stop loss at 122. Okay, I'm expecting a target of 149 or 148 rupees. So those are the resistance. So that is what I'm expecting. Next is Indian oil. Indian oil also same. If you guys see these blue lines, these are all the resistance on the historical data. I'll just go back and show you. See, this is the historical data. Here we have major resistance, so that is what I've marked there. So let's see, Indian oil, I purchased it. I purchased it at 207 rupees, and my stop loss at 200 rupees. My stop loss at. Okay, so my first target will be 219, that is 220. Second target will be at 236. Next is Titan. Titan is also crossing its all-time high. The historical data, I don't see any resistance anywhere. Okay, till I know, yeah, there is no any resistance anywhere. So it's crossing its all-time high. That is the only reason behind it. And most people will be scared here that it's gone up too much. There is a high chance it will come down. But who knows, man? Nobody knows if market is gonna come down. If it's come down, it's totally fine. Take my stop loss and go. I have 100 more other stocks which I can trade. Okay. Or if it's gonna go in my direction, it's totally fine. I'm gonna hold it. So that's how at least I work. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you guys got some information on today's video. If you guys like my content, please like, share, and subscribe. Your support will be definitely appreciated. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.